Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to automatically sync your YouTube videos on Rumble. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your account options. Here you're gonna see YouTube channel sync. Just click here and then you're gonna sync with Google. You need to sign in with Google first. Sign in with your Google channel account. So after that, your channel will show up here and you're gonna select your YouTube channel. So which YouTube channel you want on Rumble that you want to post those videos. So select the channel and then you're going to select your license. If it's personal use, not monetized, not searchable, available to all its subscribers, or non-exclusive similar to YouTube. I would recommend you to select non-exclusive similar to YouTube so you can monetize your videos on Rumble as well. And then you can select day you want to start. So let's say since January 1, 2022, link Rumble and YouTube channel. Just click here and select OK. And that's it. Your YouTube channel is connected to Rumble. And now when you post a video on YouTube, they will be automatically synced on your Rumble channel. Now you have your backups on Rumble, and also you can monetize your videos on Rumble as well without the need to post it manually after you post on YouTube. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.